Space Shuttle Secrets. How NASA rewrote space travel forever. What's up, space lovers? Welcome back to Hello Space. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic vehicles in human history, NASA's legendary Space Shuttle. Before SpaceX was landing rockets like it's nothing, NASA had already pulled off something incredible: the Space Shuttle. It was the first reusable spacecraft ever built. Unlike traditional rockets that were discarded after launch, the shuttle was designed to be flown multiple times. From 1981 to 2011, it completed 135 missions, marking 30 years of groundbreaking space exploration. That's a major chapter in human spaceflight history. The Space Shuttle had three main components. 1. The orbiter. This looked like a futuristic airplane. It housed the crew, equipment, and payloads. 2. The external fuel tank. That big orange tank provided the fuel for launch. 3. Two solid rocket boosters. These gave the shuttle the raw power it needed to escape Earth's gravity. At launch, the boosters and fuel tank detached and fell away. But here's the cool part. The orbiter flew back to Earth and landed like a jet. No ocean splashdowns, just a smooth runway landing. So, what exactly did the Space Shuttle do? A lot more than you might think. It launched satellites, conducted scientific experiments, carried astronauts into orbit, and helped build the International Space Station, one of its most historic missions. Fixing the Hubble Space Telescope in 1993, without that mission, we wouldn't have those stunning deep space images we all love. It even hosted international astronauts, making it a true symbol of global cooperation in space. But the shuttle's legacy isn't just about success. There were tragic losses too. In 1986, the Challenger exploded just 73 seconds after liftoff lost all 7 crew members. That's really sad. Then in 2003, Columbia disintegrated during reentry, again claiming 7 brave lives. It proved that reusable space travel was possible and helped lay the foundation for the future of human spaceflight. These disasters shook the world, leading to major changes in NASA's safety protocols and ultimately the shuttle program's retirement. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite moment from the Space Shuttle era? The final shuttle mission flew in 2011, but its legacy lives on. Modern spacecraft from SpaceX, Boeing, and others owe a lot to the technology and lessons learned from the Space Shuttle. If you loved this journey through shuttle history, smash that like button, subscribe to Hello Space. Thanks for watching.